Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside the lobby, tap the settings gear and go straight to controls so you can act. Once there, pick the controls section and decide whether you will edit layout, sensitivity, or gyro first. This matters because each affects aim and movement differently. Make sure to export or jot down your current profile. Once done, you can safely test changes without losing a working setup. This first step prevents regressions and speeds troubleshooting later on. You now reshape the layout to match how you hold the device, drag buttons toward your dominant thumb, and resize them for comfortable press accuracy. Once adjusted, switch between presets like 3-column or custom to optimize quick weapon swaps and utility access. Make sure to enable tap versus hold options where needed because those change reaction times. After modifying, head to the training ground straight away and run through the motion. You finish by dialing sensitivity. Set camera and ADS in small increments, testing each move to observe recoil control versus quick turning. If you use gyro, lower the strength initially and increase in small steps, because abrupt jumps ruin muscle memory. Once satisfied, save the profile and export a backup so you can restore quickly. If problems occur, roll back to the exported profile. If controls feel off, repeat training ground tests and reduce one change at a time to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.